Hey guys, what's going on? Welcome to the Bitcoin overview. Hey, everybody who took the trade yesterday, I just want to come out, start the video and say congratulations. The video we ended up posting yesterday, it was actually on, if you guys go to our YouTube channel and you go to the first video that pops up, it was basically the 100% win rate, the 2022 crypto scalping strategy. Watch this, guys. Everybody won that trade the other day, and it was actually on VET, and I just called out in Telegram and showed you guys that you won that. I'm not keeping track of it as our main wins. Our main wins on the channel, guys, are 122 wins and 0 losses. We've never lost a crypto trade, but everybody who's actually scalping with our strategy, those traders have not lost a crypto trade yet either. It's kind of mind-blowing, guys, how we've been able to come up with this strategy, and I feel really blessed by this. That like I prayed for wisdom for like years, guys. I'm like, God, I want wisdom of how to create a strategy where we don't lose and we have good risk management. I really think we found that now. So if anything, at the end of this video, I will show you guys how we are not losing trades and how you can join us, and so you can take those with us. The last trade that we all took was 9.92% profit on SHIB for 50% of our trade, and then the other 50%, we won about 4% on that trade, okay? But the scalping trades, guys, are taking over like crazy, and people who are using our indicators and our metrics are doing really well. I'll fly through this because I want to get you guys into the analysis, because you need to be watching this area right here, super close. But this guy over here does $2,777, guys, with the three indicators, these three that we have on our charts here, and I'll show you guys the sell we've got going on today, so don't miss that. But seriously, it's getting crazy. This guy's like, since I joined Trade Confident membership last month, I'm using both the trend exhaustion and price swell money flow, making about $4,000 a month. That is just insane. That's pretty crazy. Maybe more than a lot of you guys are making at your jobs right now. The scalping strategy is going to help with that, okay? This guy in here, he's like, I've won all 4 trades. It's pretty awesome. The guy down here, this guy, you guys know this guy, $6,310 trading with the indicators and the strategy. And then we'll get back into the analysis, guys. But guys down here doing like $43,000 in 4 days. And then guys does $3,500 using the indicators and the metrics. I'm showing you guys some proof here because it just gets kind of ridiculous of what people are able to do. Literally $2,200 in the last 7 days with Ethereum and Doge. And it just keeps going and going and so on and so forth. The guy down here literally does $20,000 with our 2 indicators right here on stocks and crypto. Okay, you saw enough. Let me get you in the analysis. That's what you came here for. Just wanted to show you guys some proof. What we have over here, I really feel is special for the market, and we're doing really well. My personal account, guys, I'm trading with $150,000 of my own money. We're sitting at 135,262. It just upped it a little bit there. So we're doing very well. Okay, let's dive in. Now that you know me, you know what I'm about. You see the testimonials. Awesome, we got that out of the way. Let me show you guys what I'm looking at in this market, and I'll show you guys how to get into a trade setup. Right now, Bitcoin is seeing this. Majority retail traders are waking up this morning. They're looking at their standard indicators, their RSI stochastic, MACD, and moving averages, and they're saying, okay, overall, we're still looking like we're in a downtrend. And they're not wrong at all, guys. I would expect retail traders to be looking to sell into this or short this even more. And the spot that you all need to be looking for, everybody needs to be watching this right now, is this ascending support line right here. It's not just because we could bounce. It's because we could actually see a little bit of a crash. And watch this. If you go to the daily time frame, I don't feel like people are talking about this on YouTube enough. This is literally a bear flag to the downside. You guys know this is actually a bearish formation. If you go like this, you have a impulse move down with an ascending channel. That is a bearish sign to the downside. That usually goes like this. When you have an impulse move up and a descending channel, that usually likes to move up here, as we see over here. So is Bitcoin done going down? It may not be. So we really, everybody, watch this. You really, and we need to be watching right now for a bounce at around this area. And it's putting us right at about this area, about 37,500. I'm writing this on the iPad here so we can all make sure we remember this. 37,500 for Bitcoin is where we need to be watching for a crucial bounce back up. Now, all of you guys who used our scalping strategy and you guys got in when the trend exhaustion was low, the well money flow was low as well. You guys got in here and you're holding some profits here. You guys already made your profits over here and you clearly won your trade. You're only going for 3 to 4%. If I make this a little bit bigger, it's probably easier for you guys to see this. But when you're in this market, you're looking only for 3 to 4%, guys. That's all you're looking for. So when it comes up here and it's 5% and 4.98, literally, if you guys got in lower, depending on when you got in, you've got a swing here of about 6 to 6.5%. And that's not even pushing it all the way down to the bottom here. You're about 6% swing. Okay. There is a specific reason I tell all of you guys to only go for 3 to 4%. I have done the math on it myself. I've literally gone through and manually looked at structures on the 4-hour time frame. And I can tell you guys the highest percentage win is going to be going for a 3 to 4% take profit. But imagine doing 3 to 4% on your first buy limit over and over and over and over again. That's how you start compounding your accounts. And that's how some people are literally doing thousands of dollars a month. Some of them are doing tens of thousands of dollars a month. It's ridiculous. And that's part of the members that we have here. So I'll give reference to where to find the scalping masterclass, but I want to continue with this analysis real quick in case you guys are doing something else. Watch this. The price risk will money flow and trend exhaustion. When this gets high here, let me show this to you guys. Open this up a little bit here. When this gets high, we are seeing moves back down. You need to be watching this for the drop back down. The way we've won 122 trades in a row is because we watch these for exits. Seriously, like if you're in the profit, it's cool to be able to get into good entries. Everyone knows that. But it's really nice to be able to get out at the top prices before it drops back down. Like that's paramount to a strategy. And if you're coming in here and you guys are looking at this, and don't cherry pick, don't do anything like that. Literally look at the moment that this trend exhaustion pushed in the top red zone. And if the well money flow is at least moving up, that's where we're looking for drops back down. Literally, we were able to call this bear market cycle with these indicators up here before it dropped in the market. It tried to push up one more time. We're looking at this and we're like, okay, this is probably going to see a drop back down. And that's what we're seeing. Alternatively, we've got people, literally hundreds, probably maybe thousands, but I know for sure about hundreds of people scalping this thing, and here's what they're doing. So follow this real quick if you guys want to learn the scalping strategy. Trend exhaustion in the bottom red section, well money flow low. Check. If you go to the emotional index over here on the website and you see the emotional index in the anxious or fearful section, that's check number 3. Come down here and you're looking at trades in favor. Is it in a good long trade or good or great long trade? Yes, that's 4 out of 4. The last thing you're looking for are whales and institutions buying with you guys. Yes. 5 out of 5 confirmations, that's all you guys use, and that's how you're getting into trades, and you're doing a 3 to 4% take profit. Once you guys have your membership, let me show this to you real quick so you guys can watch this video. This is all we're charging here. It is ridiculously cheap, guys. You should be grabbing this because we've never lost a trade and people are making tons. All the metrics are yours. The Telegram channel for entries and exits. I'm going to call everything out for you guys. The masterclasses are yours. The community chat to chat with other people about trade setups that you guys are seeing. We're here as a community. In May, I'm going to go live with you guys in Zoom. I show this to you to show you this. Once you have that, go to the masterclasses and that scalping strategy that we've been talking about a ton lately. Go down to masterclass 7 and watch this masterclass. I'm not kidding when I say this, guys. I've literally taught billion-dollar hedge funds these secrets in the market. So watch all 7 of these there's actually 9 master classes, I believe. Yeah, all 9 master classes. But number 7 is how people are doing some crazy results right now in the markets. Okay, want to show that to you guys so you know how to do this. Literally, once you're done watching this video, start making some money and start looking for setups. Okay, let's get back into the analysis here. For Bitcoin, the emotional index is sitting in the neutral section. All right, people are waiting. What's going to happen? What's going to happen, guys? Come down here, and this is where the war begins between long and short trades. Okay, long trades are popping off here like crazy. Short trades are screaming up as well. This right now is a tug of war. Here's what it means. Usually when price goes up, you see short trades increase because they're looking for the short back down. Well, what happened over here is we actually saw short trades increase and we also saw long trades increase. So short traders are like, oh, we're going down. People going long are like, no, we're going up. So you've got this tug of war right now. And I want you guys to watch these metrics at 8 a.m. Pacific Standard Time when they update. That's literally in about 38 minutes because it's 7:22 right now. Watch this because what's going to happen over here, guys, is I personally think that this area right here is going to act as an extreme bounce zone back up. And we could be seeing crypto see some decent pumps back up. When I say decent, I'm actually projecting here, even if we come down to the bottom here, to actually go back up to the ascending, it is an ascending. It's an ascending resistance is the best way to say that. This ascending resistance here, guys, a next touch of that could put us at a 35% Bitcoin bounce. That would put the altcoins up a ton. Bitcoin going up 35% will put some altcoins up over 45% because they're at lower structures and lower price. So watch this, guys. This is a setup right here for a 1, 2, 3 touch for a bounce back up on Bitcoin. What's the most predictable bounce in all of crypto? The third touch. Let me prove it to you. 1, 2 touches creates a trend line. The third touch is the most predictable move back down, and that's where the big market moves come. This right here, guys, we are setting ourselves up this week for possibly a huge 35% jump in Bitcoin and the crypto markets. Let me give you some more evidence of why I think this is going to happen. The market cap strength of Bitcoin is not going down. Yes, price action is going down, but the market cap is going sideways and actually moving up here. Let me show this to you guys here so you can see this, and I'll zoom in. You see price action moving down while at the same time money is moving up. There's no other way to interpret this, guys. This literally means institutions and whales are buying by the tens of millions of dollars, possibly by the hundreds of millions. They are buying the dip. Whales are buying the dip, guys. You cannot unsee that any other way. This green line here calculates the percentage of overall market cap money in the crypto market relative to all other cryptocurrencies. So when you see this green line go up, it means this literal thing. Money is coming out of other altcoins and it's going into this coin. So what this means is as the price is going down, most people usually sell, but whales are holding and they are actually buying on this dip right here. You can see this over here because the market cap is actually going up here in the last 2 days while the price is going down. Whales are buying the dip. This is another reason why I think we could actually springboard pretty fast here. So the next time trend exhaustion is low down here, guys, whale money flow is low, look for that next scalping position to get in and out of the markets. Now, I'll show you guys in this video of how to trade our main strategy because our main one, we try to target between guys, I've actually won an 82% win on our main strategy. So the scalping strategy is great. It's fast money in and out. But if you guys want to get into these bigger trades that are 10, 12% profits, we've done 32%, up over 40% profits on these trades here, guys, in the past. Let me show you how to do that. But let's continue here. Trades in favor. If you are looking to take a trade today, there is a lot more favor on long trades than there is short trades. Guys want to take short trades? Wait for this metric to be in the good short trade area. Guys, you're cheating in the markets. This is 100% the most legal way to cheat in the markets. I say cheating because it's more like a trigger word because you're like, wait, cheating. But really, I need you guys to see this. If you're literally waking up in the morning and you're like, I want to place a trade, because I understand sometimes you wake up and you're like, I want the thrill of buying and selling. Okay, please just check with the metric first, okay? If you're going to short, at least wait for it to say good short or great short trade. And then you guys can look for moves back down. I'm not a financial advisor, anything like that. Please trade at your own risk. I need to legally place that out there, okay? But look at this. When this does even slightly push down into a good long trade, it is better to go long here than it is to go short. People use their emotions and they FOMO into trades here, and it was a lot better to go short than go long here. And I'm telling you guys right now, some people are thinking Bitcoin's going to crash, guys. There is a whole lot more favor on long trades right now than there is shorts. Absolutely believe this. Absolutely believe it, guys. Market cap going up. Whales institutions, I think, would have sold out some money if they thought it was just going to crash, wouldn't they? Because literally the whales cannot hide from us anymore because this literally shows you guys money that is on the actual on-chain metrics of what money is happening or what money is flowing in and out of Bitcoin relative to the whole market cap. That is what this is showing us right here. If the big boys want to take their money out, look, if big boys take their money out and the price goes up, you need to get concerned. Why? Because they're not buying. They're selling out hundreds of millions of dollars of Bitcoin and abandoning retail traders to the upside, and then you see crashes. I'll prove it to you again. Look at price structure moving down. Retail traders are selling, freaking out. What's happening? Whales institutions acquiring hundreds of millions of dollars worth of Bitcoin, and then the price goes back up. Okay, price goes down, retail traders are freaking out. The whole time, whales and institutions are buying this thing by the hundreds of millions, and then they jump it back up. Price goes up. Retail traders are saying, oh, we're going to the moon. Nope. Whales and institutions selling hundreds of millions, and it heads back down. Guys, look, the cheating pattern is staring you in the face. Literally, it's right here. You guys want to trade with the big boys and actually stay on the right sides of the markets? Here you guys go. The metrics are yours. $95 a month. Unshamefully promoting that, okay? Because the amount of money you guys will save and make with these metrics are insane. Okay. Well, institutional smart money. These guys have been acquiring buys. One of the big reasons why I love showing you guys this before 8 a.m. Pacific Standard Time is we can test the integrity of the metrics. When these guys are starting to buy, this is where we can see market moves back up. And we did end up getting this market move back up. And everybody who took the scalping trade when trend exhaustion was low here, you guys won that trade. Okay, you guys did great. There's 3 levels of the scalping masterclass. There's risky, there's really risky, a little less risky, and super safe. So I actually gave you guys all 3 that you can choose of your own risk tolerance. I would choose the last one because you'll win more often and you'll actually, honestly, your account will be healthier for long term. So I give you 3 options so you guys can choose your risk on your own, okay? Support and resistance prices, let's make this pretty fast because I want to get you guys into a trade setup today. The next resistance, guys, is just structure high here. It's pretty simple in my opinion. It's 43,095. Okay, it's right up here. So that's where we're probably going to target. But guys, if this heads down, do not get nervous. Seriously, I'm almost more excited if Bitcoin goes down to this level here. I put on the iPad, what was it? 37,500. 37,500. Watch this mark. If it gets here, guys, don't freak out. Just watch for the crazy bounce and and look to acquire some Bitcoin down here. That's my personal education only opinion, okay? Let me get you guys into a trade setup. Look at this right here. Our metric is patient. If you don't feel like you have patience, that's okay. Our metrics will for you. So wait for this to get low. When this is low, it literally sent a signal out yesterday saying, hey, look to get into this trade for dollar cost average entry and diamond hand holders out there. Look for this to be a great entry to move back up. Oh, guys, you're going to do so good once you have these tools on your side. I'm jacked about this because we see the testimonials coming in all the time. And I'm like, heck yeah. Like, we're changing families' lives over here. And it's just fun to see. Those people who are holding, you guys, your accounts are so much healthier. People who are holding in losses, like I currently am, because obviously I'm down a little bit. But guys, we're down maybe 15%. The whole other markets, guys, general, they're down about 55 to 60% in their accounts. 55 to 60 is the average that we're seeing people come into our trading system and like, look, I'm down like 55 to 60%. I FOMO'd in. I didn't use risk management. So guys, you're doing super, super well over everybody else. Death cross real quick and let's go into the trade setup. If this comes back up here, we need to watch the white line get close to this 200 moving average. 200-day moving average is going to act as resistance. So once we push back up here, I'm looking for that bounce back up to the 200 to be like a magnet, okay? Here's the trade setup. I know you guys, and this is a long video, but I'm giving you everything you guys need to be successful here. Seriously, I'm confident of this because we have the highest win rate on all of YouTube and possibly ever in the history of crypto that we can find. Here's how we trade, and here's how we have never lost a trade ever. Watch this, because this actually goes into the scalping masterclass. I can't go over the scalping masterclass today. It's too much to go into in this video. Go to our channel, watch the video that I pinned to the top here, and then you guys will understand. Here's how we trade. Right now on Bitcoin, you guys are going to see 4 yellow lines. You're going to enter in 25% of your trade allocation. Let's say you've got $1,000, split it into 4 equal portions, $250 each. That $250 is going to go at each of the 4 yellow buy limits. Once the first buy limit is hit, set a sell limit up in green way up here. Yes, I understand it's ridiculously high. This is in case we have a fat finger trade from an institution and Bitcoin screams up, you guys get the jackpot trade. Okay, there's no way to experience those jackpot wins when someone makes a mistake unless you're already on the order book. Make sense? That's why we do that. What I'm going to do for you guys in Telegram, which is part of the service that we literally run here, is I'm going to be calling all the exits for you guys. So here's the deal. You guys come over here, you see Bitcoin, you enter into the 4 buy limits on Bitcoin, okay? The first buy limit gets hit. Once we start moving back up, you're making money. If the second buy limit gets hit and we just crash, guys, I guarantee you this is not where the prices are. It's obviously over here and it's a lot lower. But you guys will have the best risk management on all of your accounts, guaranteed by all of your friends and family who trade crypto. You will have the best risk management. And while people are entering all their money in here thinking it's just going to go up, if it does go down, your break-even entry is going to go down with you. Case in point, if everybody did a FOMO entry right here, and they got into the market, they would be holding right now in a loss at the current moment of about 35%. While we're only down 14%. That is a 20% savings, guys. This is how our traders are keeping their accounts super safe. How is that possible? Because the break-even entry, when you split your money up, once the first buy limit is hit, your break-even entry falls between the middle. Once your third buy limit is hit here, your break-even entry goes down even further. Okay, that is what the break-even entry is right here for this trade. So instead of FOMOing in with all your money, guys, use the strategy that I'm showing you, and you're literally saving yourselves 20% on that trade that you don't have to make back up. That's why I'm saying the traders who are trading with us, once this market goes back up, we will be in the profit making tens of thousands of dollars before everybody's even back to break even. And you guys can start joining us on this when you actually just start watching how I'm doing this on these charts. Make sure you guys are snagging that membership for $95 a month and just getting in here, the Telegram channel, and all this is yours. Okay, the indicators are the last thing I'll talk to you guys about, and I'll end this video because I know it's long, but 82% off. You guys are going to get 82% off all of our indicators today. Okay, it's a sale we've got going on. The 3 that you guys need to copy my charts are these 3 right here. Use coupon code SAVE MONEY, lowercase, uppercase, doesn't matter, at checkout. You will get 40% off these 3. You save money, you will get 60% off all the other 6 indicators. Okay, use the bundle pack sale we've got going on right now. You will get 82% off everything. The price you're going to pay for these 3 anyways is higher than the bundle pack right now. It's just a ridiculous deal, guys. We also humbly hold the highest selling product and the highest rated product ever on gumroad.com for trading, education, Bitcoin, and indicators. We actually got a letter from gumroad.com congratulating us on it. It was kind of cool. We're in like the top sellers of the whole entire platform. It's because we've been able to create a product that works just really well, and we discounted it super cheap for you guys. So don't miss this. Literally, it's a lifetime purchase. You get the source code to the indicators as well. So you guys get them for life. Nobody can take them away from you. They're yours to have in the power of your hands forever. So guys, snag the indicators in the description. Literally 82% off today. Get the membership so you guys can get into the scalping masterclass. You guys can watch that, get into the community, look at the metrics so you guys can verify your scalping entries. And guys, look at some testimonials before you do anything. It's open to the public, and look at what other people are doing and how they're changing their lives with what we're doing over here. I'm so humbled to be able to do this, but it is insane what some people are actually able to accomplish over here. It's just kind of ridiculous. Hey, Travis and team, I've only been a member for 1 month and have already profited $1,200 only using 2 indicators. I'm telling you guys, you read through this, so many people are going to talk about the price per swell, money flow, and trend exhaustion. It is kind of insane. So guys, I'll end this here. God bless you guys. Have an amazing, amazing day. And I will see you guys in the next videos I have coming out today. The indicators on sale are in the description, as well as the link to the membership is there as well. Enjoy, guys. Make as much profit as you want. And if you have any questions, email us at betradeconfident, betradeconfident@gmail.com. And we literally have a team here helping you guys. And if that's not enough, and you know, if you want to get a message fast, guys, email us. We're here. We literally have 2 full-time guys, Jake and Josh, working on emails to help you guys. Also, if you guys want to come over into the chat, talk to the chat with other traders who are actually entering into scalping trades, and we're in here as well, talking to people about the nice trade setups that they're taking and the money they're making. So you join a community of traders who literally, if they've followed the strategy to a T, followed me in Telegram, they've never lost trades. The power of a community that's never lost trades before is kind of ridiculous. All right, guys, I'll end it there. Have an amazing Tuesday. God bless you guys so much. Have a good one. The indicators and memberships in the description, and I'll see you guys later. Bye, guys.